Hello guys, in today's tutorial I would like to show you a few tips which will probably help you in your projects. So let's get started. The first thing which I want to show you is how to remove. Sometimes you need to remove the audio from your video. So how to separate or delete the audio from your video. The one thing is like this: you press right click on your mouse and choose unlink, and then you can press delete on your keyboard and it will delete the audio. But the other thing is more faster, because we all want to be fast in our editing process. So what you need to do is just press Alt or Option on a keyboard and click on this audio file. You press the Option button and we're clicking on this file, and then you can just press delete and it will delete the audio. The second method which I like to show you, for example, you have a messy timeline, you have a lot of different footages and you cut a lot of files, and by hand you have to move them like this, it takes time to do that. So now the fastest way to do this, it will be the one method is, for example, if you have like files, and what you do is just pressing between them like this. You like highlighting this side and pressing delete on your keyboard, and it will slide the files and make them together. But this is also takes time to do that. Like you have to do like this, like this. How to do this a little bit faster way is you have to go to the sequence, and here will be the close gap. See, you press on this, and voila, it closes all your gaps and makes the files all together, and you won't have dead spaces between these videos. Okay guys, and the last tip which I want to show you is also will be very useful for you guys, is for example, let's cut this in pieces so I can show you what I want to okay, for example, you have a huge project with a lot of videos on it. You need to, for example, delete this part between these videos, but you can move it, you don't want to move it around, because in big projects it's very hard to do that, and becomes very tedious. So what you need to do is just press Shift and delete together, and see, when you delete it, it moved all the other videos for you to together. If you wouldn't do that, if you just press delete without this, it will just delete it, and you will have a dead space between this. But if you take this, press shift plus delete, it will delete and will move all your videos closer to each other, so you won't have any gaps between this. Yeah guys, this is I hope these tips will help you in your projects, and please subscribe and like my videos. See you in the next tutorial guys. Have a good day.